Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you 2 smoothie and juice that will help you clean your guts, detox your system and achieve a healthy weight loss. The main ingredients that helps you achieve this are celery, green apple and cucumber. Green apple cleanses the liver, aids weight loss, improves digestion, strengthens the immune system. Celery aids in digestion, contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Cucumber lowers blood sugar, prevents constipation and supports weight loss. So please sit tight and watch this video to the end. This is a healthy drink that is good for you and your family. And please guys, remember to like and share this video with friends and family. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you a lot for always returning to watch our video. So guys, I'm going to leave you to continue watching. Hope to see more of you in my next one. Thank you for watching.